Keep some photos there. Create a jQuery folder. Create a folder called jQuery. Keep inside some photos. Create a folder called jQuery. Keep inside some photos. After that, in the jQuery folder, create a file index.html. Index.html. Under index.html, HTML head you follow the style inside. Body open close. Body open close. Right inside h1. Welcome to jQuery. Welcome to jQuery. Go to center. Welcome to jQuery. Align equal to center. Ready? Let's go ahead. Follow the p tag. Keep inside a href equal to example1. Example I'll write here, and this one will repeat 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20 times. Okay, repeat that 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. Here also you are going to write example 1.html. Two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 links actually, that meaning we're going to create the 20 examples. We are going to make 20 examples. Okay, so how many examples are? How many links are ready? 20. Now write a CSS here and display 4 paragraph in one line. Write some CSS, display 4 paragraph in one line. For p tag, give width 25% and float left. Automatically it will come in. Write some CSS so that in one line, how many? 4 paragraphs to display. 4 links will come in one line. Give some margin, give some padding. Who've written CSS? there anyone in the chat? Margin 1% or margin I need to give width 25% and float as a left. That's how all will come in. 4 will come in one line. Look like this. Font size 18 pixels. Color orange. Text decoration none. Just some CSS we applied. Here will be little big font size. Color will be in orange color. And underline will not be there. It will not be any kind of underline. Okay, orange will be, blue color will be better. Font hyphen weight as bold and 18 I'll convert into 22. So it will look little big font. Something like this. Okay. For body tag, we can write one CSS margin 50 pixel. Margin 24 pm. Okay. So from all the side, we will have a gap of 40 pixel. And that look like this. Like this. Okay, created. After that, now we have to create this all the files. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, but all we are not going to create now. One by one we'll create. So create a file example 1.html, example 1.html, example 1.html. Okay, example 1.html, HTML, head, then body. Under the body, you give a division. Inside the division, write a link called ahref equal to index.html. Right here, back to home. Back to home. Back to home. Okay. Ready? Next, we need to open one website. We need to open one website Search a website called jQuery demo. Search a website called jQuery demo. jQuery demo. jQueryui.com will come. We'll click on that.
The class is recorded.
Okay, hope you open jQuery UI demo. Open that website. Okay, hope this website is open. Now come in this website. Click on autocomplete. Accordion. You can click on accordion. Left hand side. There's a link called accordion. You can click on accordion. After clicking on accordion, right? So if you click on accordion, after clicking on accordion, come down. There is a view source. View source. View source. View source. View source. In view source, you can see here there is 3-4 files are calling. Okay, 3-4 files are calling. One is this one jQuery UI.css, jQuery.js, jQuery UI.js. 3-4 links are there. This link we are going to copy. We can copy this 3-4 link from here. Copy that 3-4 link from here. Copy. Add in your example1 file. Okay, and here HTTP is not there. We can add here HTTP s colon. HTTPS colon we can add there. HTTPS colon HTTPS colon https:// added one more file is calling here link rel style.css. You can close that. Keep only three links. Keep only three links. Link script. Okay. Internet is required every time to run this project because it's linking directly with CDN. Direct CDN link is happening. Okay, hope ready. So this index.html file, example1.html, you will have to go back. You will come back to a home page. We will go to any link here and we'll click on go back. We'll click on go back to home. It will come to the where? Home page. Right? This way. So this I think we can make little bigger font size. We can keep as a maybe H2, so the font size will come big size. Back to home. Okay. The font size got bigger. Back to home. It will redirect to where? Home page. So we'll have multiple pages and every page will have a link to where? Home page. Now in example one file, which is the main library of jQuery, you need to understand. This is the main library of jQuery. This one. This is the first one is for the look and feel. Second is also for the look and feel. Not in this example. Once we come little forward, after 6-7 example, the first CSS and last JSS will be required. But now you need this file, jQuery file. In this jQuery library, it is a JavaScript library. Inside, lot of functions are written. In this JavaScript library, lot of functions are written. Now those functions we are going to call in our project and we are going to use that. Okay. The function is written under which library? jQuery library. Now how to use that? Let's come to the project. After this division, you will follow. You can write here one HR color equal to orange color. And every time you will keep writing after HR. Okay, size equal to so one line will be there below our functionality will come. Right inside H1 jQuery example 1 jQuery example 1. jQuery example 1. jQuery example 1. In this, let's come to the head section. In head section, how to write jQuery? Start the script. Script start, script end. Script start, script end. Okay, jQuery, script start, script end. Inside that, you write dollar function. In jQuery, everything is a callback only. Function inside function, you will write. Dollar represent this line belong to jQuery. Dollar represent this line belong to jQuery. Now, dollar function, curly bracket open close. So the first line is saying jQuery start. This line says jQuery end. Your script start here, script end here. But inside jQuery start from the dollar and its end at here. Here you will write a alert call hi. Save the file, run the page, check alert is coming or not. Alert should come. Once we run the example one and reload it, we should see one alert will come. Call higher. So that line represent yes, your jQuery is linking. Your jQuery is connecting. Dollar we need to remember. Dollar it will start from. Now after that, right below a button. On click event. Not on click event. jQuery by tag name. How to connect the jQuery using a tag name. Two button you have written. Now come inside the jQuery section and write here. Okay, this one you can write something. This call as a login, and this one you write as a register. Text should be different. Okay, and here we can write in one paragraph how to link / call jQuery by tag name. Like if a user click on a particular tag, how to link with the jQuery. How to link with the jQuery. How to link with jQuery. Okay. Inside that, you have how many buttons? Two buttons, right? Two buttons we have. Go inside, right here dollar button dot click. button dot click function okay hope written. So where the click will happen? Button. Click is a event. In JavaScript we need to write on click, but see here in HTML you have not written anything, just created the button. Now this button we are going to address from the jQuery. Says button dot click means in current page wherever the user will click on button, what should happen? Write a message. It's a button click. It's a button click. Okay. Return button click. button. Button click. Button dot click. Save the file. After saving the file, let's come to the page, reload once and click on login button. It's a button click. Click on register button. It's button click. So which button? It is not specified. Button means in current page, wherever you have the button, if you do the click on any button, this event will get fired. Click event will get fired. It will call a function and this function will give you the alert. Okay. Same way, inside the current page, you have the H2 also, H1 also, paragraph also. You can click anywhere, event will get fired. Let's go here. Write one H2, click me. Write H2, click me. Write a paragraph. It is inside P tab. If you click, alert will happen. Something right. It is inside P tab. Click will happen. If you click, alert will happen. Okay. Then hope you have written. Come up under the script part. Dollar button, not button. Which one? H2 dot click. In current page, wherever the H2 click will happen, then this function will call. and under the function we'll write it is h2 click. It is h2 click. Hope working h2 click. The h2 click means happening. It is h2 click. Register button click. So here, if you click on the top h2, that will also happen alert, but it will go to the next page, previous page, because this is also h2 only, right? Okay. Now you have one paragraph. Write for paragraph. How you are written for h2? Same way you write p dot click. It is the p click, paragraph click. Write something, don't copy paste. Okay, write from your fingers. Copy paste you can do easily. Write it manually. You will come to know something. Benefit will happen. Okay, hope you written for paragraph. P dot click. It is p click. In current page, any paragraph you click, this event will get fired. P dot click and then something like this. It is p click. Here it is p click. So we got idea how to call the jQuery by tag name. Now problem start from here. If a user click on login, he want to see the different message. If user will click on register, he want to see the different message. So how that will work? Okay. How that will work? So we have to keep different ID for that. The first button ID should be different and second button ID should be different. Here you have written the jQuery directly for a button. You have to write the jQuery for a ID, not for the button. And then whichever the ID user will click, it's a button only, but the ID is different. ID wise it will work. Okay, that is our example 2. So hope working. Create next file, example2.html. Example2.html we can create. There we will understand how to link the jQuery with ID. Example2.html. There we'll learn how to link the jQuery with ID. Example 1 you can copy paste because all the library will remain same. Library will remain same. You can remove all the code from the script. jQuery example 2. jQuery link call by ID. jQuery link slash call. How to link or call jQuery by ID. We have two buttons now. One button is login. Let's keep here ID equal to B1. Keep ID equal to B2. B2. B1 and B2. ID equal to B1, ID equal to B2. Come up now. Go here inside the jQuery block. Dollar has B1. Dot click. Function alert. You want to log in. You want to log in. B2 dot click hash is required. Hash is for ID purpose. B2 dot click you want to register. You want to log in, you want to register. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Example 2 file. Login. You want to log in. Register. You want to register. Both functions are working in different way. Copy the same file. Paste in the next. Example 3. Example 3.html. Example 3.html. jQuery hide so example. jQuery hide so example. Hide jQuery hide function. Show function. show hide so. jQuery hide so. Okay. Hide all p. So all p. Now come to the current paragraph, current page. Write something. P1, P2, P3, P4. P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, through jQuery we will see how we can hide all the paragraph and how we can show all the paragraph on a single button click. On a single button click. Okay, come out. B1 dot click. What do you want to hide? Paragraph. You will write here dollar p dot hide. Function from the jQuery will call p dot hide. All the paragraph will get hide. Again here p dot show. All the paragraph will be visible. P dot hide, P dot show. Button 1 click, current page, all the paragraph hide. Button 2 click, current page, all the paragraph as a show. Hide show will happen on button click. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Example 3, once you click here, hide all P, hide all P. Hide. jQuery have a collection of lot of functions. Using that function, Hope working. Then we'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll sit again 9:30 to 11:30. We'll cover most of the portion. But today 11 o'clock I have other class. So we'll leave here only today.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
sir, I want to learn backend also. What is the fees about that?
Call to that 888 number is there, no? Info campus. Call that, she will guide you.
सर बैकएंड में कितना लैंग्वेज होता है सीखने के लिए? बैकएंड में कितने लैंग्वेज होते हैं सर सीखने के लिए? अब फिलहाल
So many are there, but in backend in Node.js, Express.js, MySQL or MongoDB, those three are there. That you can learn if you are trying to go for the backend also. MongoDB, Node.js, and MySQL, MongoDB, anyone, and Node.js and Express.js. Three things. Next weekend onwards, another batch will start. One batch was ended last week. This week I have a project for them. Next week we will be starting the next class for other backend people. You can discuss with her and plan, and then accordingly we will update you. Tomorrow 9:30 again. 8 o'clock is a live video. Okay then. Thank you. See you tomorrow.